The intelligent organization feature uses smart recognition to sort files based on content, format, or name and automatically place them into the right folders. It helps you quickly organize scattered files and saves time on manual sorting. There are two ways to start intelligent organization. You can go to Files app, then click Management button and choose Intelligent Organization. Or simply select one or more folders, right-click, and choose Intelligent Organization. To organize files within a folder, select Organize after selecting Intelligent Organization. You can sort files by name, creation time, file format, or recording time. You can also enter a custom sorting rule. By default, files are organized by name. Once selected, click the Send button on the right. The AI will analyze the file structure and generate an organization plan. You can click the arrow next to Deep Thinking to expand and view how the AI reached its result. If the plan doesn't meet your needs, you can enter adjustments in the chat box. If you're satisfied, click Apply to start pre-organization. You can stop the process at any time or let it run in the background. Once pre-organization is complete, you can review and modify folder paths. You can also create subfolders and drag files into place as needed. In the bottom left corner, you can set how duplicate file names are handled, including skipping, overwriting, or keeping both. Click Move to apply the organization plan and start moving files. Once done, you can review the transfer log, then click Done in the top right corner to complete the process. Keep in mind that the processing speed depends on the number of files. A maximum of 2,000 files is supported per task, and single files cannot be organized individually. For photos, location-based organization requires GPS data. If this information is not available, those files will not be included in that category. Intelligent tagging follows the same entry path as intelligent organization. Select the folder where you want to apply tags, then enter your requirements in the dialog box or use the recommended options. By default, tags are generated based on file names. You can also switch classification methods using the buttons below. Once everything is set, click the Send button on the right. The AI will analyze the file structure and generate a tagging plan. The AI will generate tag categories for review. If the result doesn't meet your expectations, you can refine it by entering new instructions in the dialog box. If you're satisfied with the plan, click Apply. The system will begin pre-assigning tags based on the current setup. You can stop the process at any time or let it run in the background. Once pre-assignment is complete, you can review the tag categories and their associated files. You can add new tags or rename existing ones with a right click. Click Add to apply the tags based on the pre-assignment results. Once the process starts, it cannot be undone. After completion, you can review the operation history. If any files fail to be tagged, you'll need to create a new task to process them again. Once everything looks correct, click Done in the top right corner. If you want to quickly organize a folder, right-click it and select Intelligent Organization, then Organize By. Choose a sorting method based on your needs, such as by file name, then click Confirm. The AI will automatically start pre-organizing the files. You can let it run in the background or stop the process at any time. You can then review and modify folder paths, create subfolders, and drag files into the appropriate locations. In the bottom left corner, you can set how duplicate file names are handled, including skipping, overwriting, or keeping both. Click Move to start transferring files based on the pre-organization plan. Once the transfer is complete, you can view the original and new file paths in the results list. After confirming everything, click Done to complete the task. If you want to organize a folder using previous rules, right-click the folder and select Intelligent Organization, then Rules Used. The system will only display the latest 5 records. Select one and click Confirm. The AI will begin pre-organizing files based on the selected rule. You can monitor the progress, run it in the background, or stop the process at any time. Once pre-organization is complete, you can adjust the plan if needed. When ready, click Move. After the transfer is complete, you can review the original and new file paths in the results list. Once everything is confirmed, click Done to complete the task.